Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw funds from your MetaTrader 5 account the right way. Safely and without any confusion. Let's get started. First of all, remember that you cannot withdraw funds directly from the MT5 trading platform. Withdrawals are always done through your broker's official website or personal area. So, start by opening your broker's website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you've logged in, look for the Withdraw or Withdrawal option in your dashboard. You'll usually find it on the left side menu or on the main page. When you click on it, make sure you select the correct trading account. The funds will only be withdrawn from the account that's currently active, so double-check before proceeding. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure that the amount doesn't exceed your available balance. Remember, you cannot withdraw credit or bonus funds from your trading account. Those can only be used for trading purposes, not cashing out. Now, select your preferred payment method. You can usually choose between card withdrawal, e-wallet, bank transfer, or even cryptocurrency depending on what your broker supports. Some brokers work with multiple payment providers, so you'll see a list under the Payment Service Provider field. Choose the one that matches your preferred option. If you're withdrawing to a card or e-wallet for the first time, you may need to add and verify it before using it. This means entering your card details or wallet address once, and then saving it for future withdrawals. Once your payment method is selected and all details are correct, click Continue. Depending on your method, you might be redirected to a payment verification page or asked to enter additional transaction details. Follow the instructions on the screen carefully. And don't close the page until you see the confirmation that the transaction is complete. After submitting your withdrawal, you'll be redirected back to your broker's payments page. You can check the progress of your withdrawal in the transaction history section. The status will first show as processing, and once it's approved by your broker, it will change to done or completed. Some brokers perform additional checks for security reasons before releasing funds. In that case, you might notice that the amount is deducted from your account immediately, but it can take some time before it's fully processed. If the transaction fails or is rejected, the funds will automatically be returned to your account after review. That's it! You've successfully learned how to withdraw your funds from your MT5 trading account using your broker's personal area. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and detailed trading guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.